this video, we're going to be talking about how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Google Maps application just like I did. So the second thing you want to do is simply go ahead and click on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and head into the settings. Once you've done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on navigation settings right over here. And now if you scroll all the way down, as you can see, there's going to be the guidance volume, the navigation voice, and so on. So make sure that your mute state is set to unmuted right over here, as you can see on your sound and voice. And then you can also set it to normal or louder, whatever you prefer. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything that you needed to know. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.